What's up, guys? Sammy D here, and welcome back to Techno Magicraft. I believe episode 7. I think I got it right this time. And yeah. So off camera, really all I did is I made a golden bag of holding, reincarnating, and I made some stuff for this episode. But what this does is a double chest of inventory space, extra inventory space. And since it's reincarnating, it will stay with me if I die. Like, it doesn't go in a gravestone, it stays in my inventory. So that's a good thing. So today, what I have planned is I want to get some machines. So thermal expansion, Mekanism, and Ender IO. Now I already made all those machines, but though. So these are all the machines that I really need, or I'm going to want to use. But what we need to do is we need to hook them up. We need power cables. And I want to use redstone energy conduits due to the fact that they're, I think, some of the best I can get at this point in time. So yeah, we're gonna go downstairs. Actually, first we're gonna go get some gold and silver. For that, and let's get 4 silver. There we go. Now we're also going to need some obsidian and lead. We're just gonna grab all of that and a stack of as much lead as we can. And we're gonna go downstairs. Now I also set up 3 hardened energy cells. I'm not sure for, oh no, I did that last time, and they're all full. So yeah, we have a lot of power now. And all we're gonna do is we're gonna grab 2 machines from here, just 2. We're gonna grab the magma crucible, and I'm just gonna put some stuff in here, and the fluid transposer. We're gonna put these down. So the magma crucible needs to go first, and the fluid transposer needs to go next. So this, and now I believe we want orange to output on this side, and let's see which is. Okay, so then blue to be the import, and now we need any old power cable, I guess. We'll do. I think I have a few somewhere. I really thought I was gonna work differently. Guess I was wrong. Do I even have any power cable? I do have a power cable. That's perfect. I don't think I'll need any more than that, but I'll bring all of them just in case. And then this power cord goes here, so this will charge up, and but what we're also going to need is we're going to need to put down the induction furnace or induction smelter. Put that down here. Turn off the configuration, and finally we're going to need to put down the pulverizer. Yeah. Turn off the configurations for that. So what we're going to want to do is we're going to actually also want to grab some redstone, and I'm going to empty out my inventory. So if I can just do a chest. This one's empty enough. I really gotta set up a sorting system soon. It's on my to-do list. Not the one in there, a different one. Or not a storing system, just a AE system. And redstone, we need that. Also, I took out all the carpenter block slopes. I gotta work on the new design for down there because it caused lag. I got a bad lag spike last time. You didn't see it. I think I cut most of it out, or you might have seen a little bit. And it's just like, so I just had to take out all the carpenter's blocks. So the gold and silver is going to go in here, and this is going to smelt into electrum. Then we're going to put some first I'll just show you the recipe. So it's redstone energy redstone energy conduit. Here. So it is 2 electrum and 1 hard glass, which is okay. So 8 obsidian and 1 lead. That's what I needed to see. So we have 8. So we need to put in, I think, 4. We need to pulverize that down, and then in here, so that makes 6 each. And we're going to be making 24. So then we need to put in 48 redstone into the magma crucible, which will melt down and be dumped into here to make destabilized redstone. This obsidian can go in the induction smelter with 8 lead, and that will give us hardened glass. I think I put more in there than I actually needed, but okay. I was thinking about the old recipe. Now if I go over to the crafting table, which should probably be back there, I'll probably move it later. You can combine this, make redstone energy conduits, and then put them in the fluid transposer to make redstone energy conduits. So now I'm gonna just pick up the rest of these machines. That's done. Just gonna put them away for now. Pulverizer, smelter, magma crucible. Okay, so I think I want to put them right along here. Actually, one more. Where I need covers, because yeah, I'm gonna put them there. But so I don't want this to hook up, so I'm yeah, I'm not gonna put them there. So I'm just gonna dig along here, and I'll grab some. I'm hoping this will be enough. It should be. So lay a few down here. That's good. I can sew it up. Now this is here. There we go. And I'll just dig this out. I gotta put a conduit there. Okay, it flows down there. Probably have to light that up again later. It's safe to break this block too. There we go. Okay. And set this. Increase this to 400. So we're gonna set the output there. Run this along the bottom there. Get that off there. Get up here. left over. We might need more, but once we have the machines set up, it won't be a problem to make more. Now this will be a shorter episode due to the fact that one, I forgot to start timing myself, and two, because I have things I need to do today. I have things to do today, and I want to get an episode out there, but I also have things I need to do. So if I want to get the episode out today, I'm gonna have to get this episode out soon. And the editing process, a half an hour video, probably won't be able to make it. So, luckily these are micro blocks, or are multi-parts, so I can just cover this up. I might make this look different off camera, but now I'll take this and put that last one there, and let's put the machines on. So first I'm just gonna put this this one back in the bag here, and we're gonna grab these two. Pulverizer there, redstone furnace there, magma crucible, induction smelter, magma crucible, and sawmill and fluid transposer. Now we're going to turn all the configs off on these. Now, the sawmill here is the only one that actually we're probably going to leave the configs off. But with the pulverizer, I'm going to have it... Actually, this is just going to be for machine use. It's not going to output. So yeah, all the configs are going to be off on this. So as you can see, it's charging up. And now there's 2 slots left over, so we're going to put the Ender IO machines there. Furnace mode, alloy mode, and we can speed these up with more power. They're gonna be kind of slow right now, so let's see if here. So, well, yeah. Let's also just get the mechanism machines laid out. Where should we put those? Let's put them in the wall. I think I'm gonna cover this area up and use this like just machines and stuff, or like wires and stuff and pipes. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Might not have as many as I'd like, but I might be able to fix that. This will actually now go up here. So I'd like to have one more, and I'll make one more off camera. But now we'll just take our mechanism machines. Actually, we'll probably have to make 2 more, but that's fine. And we'll take 3 we're gonna probably need. So let's take that, and well, I'm gonna make them more off camera, so it's fine. I can probably should cover that back up. So okay, that's fine. These actually already have power because I was using them over there to make the rest of these machines. So I think I covered most of these machines in my Space Life series, and basically I'll cover it again. What this does is it infuses whatever you put in here, so like coal or redstone. If you put redstone and iron here, you'll make enriched alloys. You put coal and iron here, you'll make enriched iron, I think. And then if you put that in there again, you'll make steel dust. You put, I think, tin dust in here, and you put bronze in there, you'll make or iron or copper in there, you'll make bronze. So that's what that does. This is basically a pulverizer, but it only does ores. This one here is a furnace. If I hold shift, this crushes ingots. And this is, if I'll read the definition, a fairly advanced machine used to compress osmium into various dusts in order to create their ingot component counterparts. So, yeah, pulverizer, as I said, just pulverizes stuff. Redstone furnace, furnace. Induction smelter, it combines two things, kind of like the metallurgic infuser. The magma crucible, it melts stuff down into liquids, and then the fluid transposer can put liquids into something or take it out. Sawmill is a sawmill, and if we put logs in here, we create 6 planks. The alloy smelter is another induction smelter, only except there's 3 things, and it can also be a furnace. I'm going to set it to all smelting. Yeah, and the sag mill is just a pulverizer. Yeah, so if I just hit this, I can see there's a if I put it in here, there's a 10% chance of more osmium dust. It's just a really good recipe. Now, there is another thing I want to do today is I want to grab some ores that I mined up in the nether. If I can find them. Because when you put nether lapis ore, put that through pulverizer 24. If I had rich slag, I could get 3 and get more, but let's see. Yeah, that's the only recipes. Thing is, some of these, like the pulverizer can't pulverize everything, but this sag mill or the enrichment chamber might be able to turn that stuff into dust that the pulverizer can't. So we're just gonna put this in here, and we're gonna get a huge amount of lapis, enough to probably put fortune on a lot of our tools. Yeah. So I think that's gonna do it for this episode. We got machines. I know I didn't show how to craft them. I think I covered just about all of these in Unleash. It really hasn't changed. I think I covered these in Space Life. And this, I'll just show you real quick. I might even speed it up off camera. Don't ask me why these are like this. I'm trying to figure it out. If you can tell me how I can figure it out. I thought I was just double clicking. That seemed to fix it. Okay, that pretty much seemed to fix it, except for Enchiridion, which it's just a bookbinder, and I might make that, but I know how to make it. So yeah, let's see. Yeah, alloy smelter is that, and that's that, and then the sag mill is that, and this is just that. So something else, something I want to begin making is these conduits, the redstone conduit, which is redstone conduit switch, which is a lever, insulated redstone. It's like Project Red cable or Red Power 2 cable, except it's, I think, a little bit better because it can, with these cables, they can all run in the same block. So like you can have an item conduit and a fluid conduit, an energy conduit running within the same block. So that's a really cool thing. They can hold so much more. Like this is, and transfer so much more power than a redstone energy conduit. There's item conduits. They're quite expensive, but yeah, we're gonna be working on that. I don't think there's anything else I really need to do. So we got these. I just want to look through here real quick. Talk about my plans, I guess. So I think next episode we might start automated mining. That, if I'm gonna check to see if we have enough resources, because I like to have a good power source for it. And the power source I would like to do, we could use this, but I'm not sure if it will be able to hold it or not, hold it steady. But the big reactor requires iron, graphite, which is coal. Yeah, I think we'll have to run it off this, because this is all the coal I got left. And I don't think I have enough coal, so we will continue on later, I guess. So yeah, I will also work on a new design for down here, because I want to show you what it looks like. Alright, I removed the ladder. Yeah, it really looks bad down here now. I'm gonna try to work up a new design, because these slopes, I think, are causing lag. But I'm getting so much better frame rate down here without the slopes. So yeah, if you like the video, please leave a rating. That would be greatly appreciated. If you have any, not yet. So I didn't completely talk about. So what I think I'm going to do next time is we're going to set up a digital miner. We're going to build and set up a digital miner. And what it is, so all the other mining systems, they usually leave a big hole. The extra utilities, and your quarry doesn't, but it does require a lot of materials. And I don't think we're going to set that up. The digital miner, however, you set it down. You set up an area in which it should mine. Then you give it power. You put an output chest, and you tell it what to mine, and you let it run. And it yanks the ores out of the ground, and it simply leaves all the cobblestone and dirt behind, all the unwanted stuff behind, and just gives us the ores. Very quick. Or not. I'm not sure how quick it will be. If we'd have to give it speed upgrades, but simply that's what I'm planning on doing. And I'll just show you the crafting recipe, because I might craft it off camera. So the digital miner, it looks awesome. And it's all this long crafting recipes, steel casing, a robot, however you want to say it, So yeah, and then there's these. Yeah, so we're gonna build that off tomorrow, next episode soon, and because we are running so low on ores, it's not even funny. So yeah, if you like the video, please leave a rating. It would be greatly appreciated. If you have any questions, comments, concerns, put them in the comment section below. And if you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel. And until next time, goodbye.